Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find someone on Tinder. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to find someone on Tinder, then first tap open your Tinder application and make sure that you're logged in. Once you are, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right hand corner and from your profile page, tap on Settings. You can change the number of your search preference, including age range, distance, and gender. Simply decrease or increase the radius so that you can swipe through only nearby people. From Distance Preference option, you can also select people from a particular age preference. Select it by sliding the search radius. By narrowing the distance or the age range might help you find whatever you're looking for. And now, your Tinder will show you people of the same age or the preferred distance on your main homepage. Tap on Done after you are done at the top right hand corner, and that way you'll be able to find people according to your preference on Tinder. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.